When it comes to hair transplants, almost everyone's biggest fear is the pain. It is a surgery, so the pain must be really bad, right? Hi, I'm Janusz from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator I have assisted over 1,500 patients in getting their hair back in the past 5 years. In today's video I will explain why hair transplants are one of the least painful surgical procedures. Let's start with how much pain you can expect during a hair transplant. Regardless of the hair transplant method, your surgeon will numb the scalp before starting the actual procedure. To do so, they will give you lidocaine injections. The first few will cause discomfort, but once the scalp is prepped and numb, you will feel nothing throughout the surgery. When you are having the procedure done, one of your team's priorities will be your comfort. So they will regularly check how you feel and ensure you have a pain-free experience. But what happens after numbing medication wears off? Thankfully, patients report very little to no discomfort after the surgery as well. Naturally, this also depends on what kind of procedure you had. Research shows that patients experience significantly less severe pain after FUE hair transplants than after FUT surgeries. Additionally, only minimal pain is present a day after FUE treatments. The scalp typically feels tight or tingling. In comparison, pain generally disappears 3 to 4 days after FUT treatments. But even after FUT, the pain or discomfort you feel should be manageable with regular painkillers. It goes without saying that patients want to avoid pain during any medical or surgical procedure, especially if the procedure is an elective or a cosmetic one. Thanks to local anesthesia and pain medications, hair transplants are pain-free procedures. The only time you will feel discomfort is when the surgeon numbs your scalp. These lidocaine injections might sting for a few seconds, but they will make the rest of the surgery pain-free. If you are struggling with hair loss and want to know more about treatments and hair transplants, visit hairpalace.co.uk for more information. Now I would like to hear from you. What is your biggest fear when it comes to hair transplants? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.